We've been a technology partner with Siemens Industry Software for almost 15 years. There are two main drivers behind our relationship. Firstly, the technical aspect. The Siemens product set has an open application programming interface. That allows us to develop specialized custom solutions, which is key for our adaptive manufacturing technology. The other driver is a commercial one, the fact that most of our customers in the industry sectors that we sell our services into use Siemens technology as their corporate CAD/CAM strategy, which means we can develop solutions and deliver them based on an overall PLM framework. Our relationship with Siemens has developed over the years, has allowed us to not only sell the NX CAM product, but also develop a range of CAM plugins, which includes TTL's own Probing Plus, which complements the NX software. Innovation is at the core of everything we do, delivering highly efficient, advanced software-based machining solutions and first-class customer care. The NX post-processor is a vital link between the CAM system and the machine tool. Unlike other Siemens resellers, TTL has its own workshop facility with 3 and 5 axis machine tools. This allows us to develop and test post-processors prior to delivering them to the customer. TTL operate in a number of industry sectors, primarily aerospace, which is a key focus for us, but also in power generation, motorsport, and medical. Generally speaking, anywhere where there are complex applications, especially involving 5-axis machining. TTL deliver a range of training courses, from basic for the new user through to advanced workshops for the more experienced user. We also offer bespoke courses that's specific to our customers' needs and requirements. When the customer buys an NX CAM product from TTL, not only are they buying software, they are buying into over 150 man-years of manufacturing experience and knowledge.